Hey guys, thanks for your interest in our Stone Coat Countertop Casting Epoxy. This is a woodworker's workhorse. Let me tell you why. When you're gonna do a river table or a void in a project that has a big gnarly void, or let's say you're gonna embed seashells and photographs or pebbles or sea glass that you found, this is what you're looking for. Why? Because our normal Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy can be poured up to 1/8 of an inch at a time for those coats that we do on our countertop projects. But when you're going to embed big objects, when you're going to do a river, when you're going to do things like this, you need to pour thick coats. This can be poured up to 1 full inch per coat. That's deep. How do you do it? You're going to mix it with a stir stick so you don't entrain a bunch of air that you can't get out because you're going deeper. Make sure you follow the instructions. You can do 1/4 inch, torch it, 1/4 inch, torch it, all the way up to 1 inch per coat. Let that cure, and then you could build upon that if you wish. Also, this retains its clarity. It is super crystal clear. Just mix it with a stick, torch it. And one key tip, if you got bubbles that are really stubborn, you simply heat the tip of a Phillips screwdriver up. You could dip that in there and you'll get those low bubbles that are hard to get. That tip alone is worth a price of admission to this video. Guys, check those videos out that we make these river tables with. Check out how we use this casting epoxy. It'll open your mind to what's possible with Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. Thanks again for your interest, and until we talk to you for that free project support, you got this. Thanks.